Hello and good morning students, I am Shudipta, your English teacher. Today I am going to discuss from your book, GK book, from chapter number 19, logical reasoning. Okay, in the previous video I have completed up to chapter number 18. I think there should not be any problem from your side, and in the live class I will tell you in details about the GK part. Today in this video I'll start from chapter number 19. Okay, so from here, chapter number 19 from your book, it is in front of your screen. It is logical reasoning. Logical reasoning is a very important topic whenever you will go to sit for any competitive exam, any common admission test, any type of admission test, or B.Ed or M.Ed, or any government job. So you have to solve this chapter. So in this class, you are in class 6. We just want to give the touch about what is logical reasoning, so that you will have a idea, a blueprint about logical reasoning. Okay, so in this video I'll give you only the answers. Okay, and in the live class I will tell you what I will tell you in details what is logical reasoning, how you can solve the logical reasoning, and how the answer here the first question is tick the correct answers. Okay, the first question is, in the given sequence, which set of letters will logically replace the hash sign? Here is a hash sign. So here are a set of words, that is GAN, HCQ, hash, and then JGW. If you see minutely, you will come to know there is an inner connection between this set of letters. GAN has an inner connection with HCQ, and it has the inner connection with the answer which you have to put in the place of hash sign, and the answer must have the inner relation with JGW. Okay, so in this way you have to guess, or you have to it is not a matter of guess, I am very sorry. There is different types of equation, how you will come to know the answer. What would be the correct answer? To pick up the correct answer, there should be n number of tricks in this logical reasoning. Because the name is logical reasoning, means each and every question, each and every set, each and every sequence, there must be logical. Okay, so let's see GAN. After that HCQ. Are you finding any type of similarity between these two words, such as GAN means A? Here the middle there is a letter, that is A, and ABC. Okay, ABC. In the same way, GH. Okay, NOPQ. So there is a certain, it is a pattern, okay, the pattern of words are there. Each and every set has an inner connection, I have already told you. So you have to find out what would be the correct sequence here, the logical replacement. It is not like that any type of set of words you can pick up as a answer, no. There should be a logical equation, there should be a logical term among the words. So here is the answer. Answer is already, I have given you the answer, but the first I am going to tell you how I can pick up the answer. The answer is IET. How? Because here is the reason. Here is the A, then gap, the gap will be B, then next here is C, next D is gap, E, here is E. So here the other options, there is no E, so there is no logical relation between these options. But the option D, it seems that there is a logical relation among the words. So let's see if there any another relation is there or not. Okay, it is G and H. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then H, then I, then J. Okay, so G, H, I, J. Yes, there is also another logical relation, and the third letter is N. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Yes, this set means set D is the correct answer, and it will be logically replaced in the place of hash sign, so that D is the correct answer. Okay. Now next, how many consonants appear immediately after a vowel but not immediately before a vowel in the word BUCKMINSTERVULLERENE? This is a word. So you have to find out how many consonants are there and how many consonants appear immediately after a vowel but not immediately before a vowel in the word. So here the answer is 4. In the live class I will tell you how the answer is 4 is correct. If the answer 4 is correct, so you have to tell the reason. So that's why this is called reasoning, logical reasoning. You have to tell the logic how the answer is 4. You can't do any answer according to your mind. Something is clicking in your mind and you can just apply it as an answer. No, it cannot be done. Okay, there should be a logical relation, there should be a logical term, there should be a logical equation between this set of words or set of letters or whatever in the question. Okay, so here the question number 2, the answer is 4. In the live class I will ask you how you come to know that 4 is the correct answer. Definitely I will give you the answer and I'll tell you the reason how here option number C, 4 is the correct answer. I'll tell you. Before that I'll ask you I will have to know the answer from your side. Okay, now next, the question number 3. If yesterday is the day before yesterday of Saturday, what day is day after tomorrow? If yesterday is the day before yesterday of Saturday, what day is day after tomorrow? So here I have ticked on option number A, Sunday. So why it is Sunday? Why not Monday, Wednesday or Thursday? Why? I'll tell you. Before that, I will ask you what, in which term, in which reason, in which logic I have tick on Sunday. Okay? I'll ask you. Now, question number 4. Imran likes to eat apples and oranges. Ranveer likes to eat bananas and oranges. Suresh likes to eat oranges. Ramesh eats only apples. Now the question is, which fruit is liked by only one person? You have to tell the answer. The question is in front of you. The question is from your book, grammar book, class 6, chapter number 19, logical reasoning. You have to read the question again and again so that you will come to know the relation between the question, and whatever the question is, you have to play your mind. Okay, you have to think again and again, because it is not so easy and it is not so tough also. You have to think again and again. There should be a logic. Each and every answer is in front of your eyes, so you have to think twice. Imran likes to eat apples and oranges. Ranveer likes to eat bananas and oranges. Suresh likes to eat oranges. Ramesh eats only apples. Which fruit is liked by only one person? Okay, here, according to me, here banana is the correct answer. How banana is the correct answer? Why banana is the correct answer? You have to tell me the answer. Why? I'll tell you the answer. Definitely. I'll tell you how banana is the correct answer. But you have to tell me why I have selected banana rather than orange, apple and none. Now, question number 5. Ronnie is taller than Rachel but shorter than Rancho. Amit is taller than Tarin but shorter than Russell. Who is the shortest of them all? You have to draw a picture, a line according to their name, according to their height, then only will come to know. But still I have given you the answer. The answer is D. This is Tarin. Why Tarin is the right answer? You have to tell me. Why not Amit or Rancho? Okay, you have to tell me why Tarin is the correct answer. I'll tell you why Tarin is the correct answer in the live class only. So in between you have to go through these questions. You have to focus on these questions. You have to think twice why Tarin is the correct answer. Okay, I'll tell you later on in the live class. Now, question number 6. In a certain language, if horse is written as JMTQG, then how will tiger be written in the same language? Suppose there is a language. If you want to write horse, then you have to write JMTQG. Then how will tiger be written in the same language? So here is a relation. Here is a logical term, a logical condition between these options also, and there is also a logical hint. You have to find out the answer. Such it is a computer game. Okay, you have to find out the goal, you have to achieve the goal, and you have to successfully complete the mission. Where is horse is right as JMTQJ. And if you want to write tiger, so what you have to write? What is the answer? VGCIT, EVCIN, VGICT, and NOCTG. Here is the answer is C, VGICT. Why VGICT is the correct answer? You have to tell me. And definitely I'll tell you why I have selected option number C, that is VGICT. I'll tell you the answer. What is the logic behind this answer? What is the logical relation between this question among them? I'll tell you in the live class. But in this video, after watching the video, you have to think twice. Why A is not the correct answer, B is not the correct answer, D is not the correct answer. Why VGICT is the correct answer? You have to think twice. It is logical reasoning. It is very, very important for you. It will help to grow your thinking capacity, thinking power. Okay? So as more you try to solve this, the more power of thinking, more capacity of thinking will be increased in you. Okay, so now let's go to question number 7. My first letter is in RUN, run, but not in FUN, fun. My second letter is in POT, pot, but not in PUT, put. My third and fourth letters are in SEAT, set, but not in MOAT, mot. Which word am I? Okay. So you have to read twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times until you understand the inner, clue. Their logical reasoning means each and every should be in front of your eyes. You have to think about the answer. You have to think about the logical relationship between the words. Okay? Logical reasoning is as pure as mathematics. The answer must be logical. Okay? So there must be an answer which is correct. You have to point out, you have to pick out the answer applying your logical ability. So here ROSE, rose is the answer. Why rose is the answer? Why not nose, phone, post? You have to give me the answer. Definitely I'll tell you why it is, but before that you have to think twice, you have to think thrice or more than that. Okay, now question number 8. One morning, Roshan and Barun were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. If Barun's shadow was exactly to the left of Roshan, which direction was Roshan facing? Okay, it is a very, very important, very, very interesting also. You may act to solve this puzzle, this reasoning. You and your brother or your sister or your father or your mother can act as Roshan and Barun. Okay, you have to stay face to face and you have to assume as it is morning, it is a big clue. Okay, it's a morning. So where your shadow should be, you have to think, and you have to make yourself you have to make yourself so easy so that you can pick out the answer. You have to think twice. You have to act as Barun, as Roshan, and you have to collect someone from your family. It may be your mother, your brother, your sister, whoever. But if you want to know the answer, you have to act. You have to stand face to face, and then you have to guess. You have to find where your shadow in front of you, behind you, in your left side, your right side, where your shadow is falling. Okay. So it was the chapter 19, logical reasoning. I have also given you the answer. So now go to the next chapter, that is 20, the smart detective. This chapter is not so important. Still here I am giving you the answer. Okay, here N is the answer. I'll tell you how in the answer in the live class. I'll tell you. N is the answer. I'm telling how N is the answer. You have to think twice. You have to think yourself. You have to solve the puzzle. Okay. Then I'll tell you how. Go to the next page. It is just informative page about the numerical word 6. Okay, 6, the word 6 has a value, and 6 is used several places in our world. So here the importance of 6 is there. It is described how the number 6 is so important for us. Now let's read. It is 21, chapter number, the number 6. If you add or multiply 1, 2 and 3, you will get the number 6. Such as 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. Then multiply, if you want to multiply themselves. So it will be 1 into 2 equal to 2, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Again 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6. Okay. So if you want to add or multiply, whatever you want to do, the answer will be the same, that is 6. 6 refers to half a dozen. Do you know? A dozen means, what is the unit of dozen? How many units make a dozen? It is 12. 12 units make a dozen. Next, all insects have 6 legs. So it is also 6. In astrology, Virgo is the 6th astrological sign of the zodiac. The number of faces of a cube is 6. Cube means just like a brick. Okay. The highest number you can roll with a dice in 6. The number of dots in a braille cell is 6. There are 6 feet in a fathom. Fathom is what? Fathom is a unit of length used for measuring the depth of water. To measuring the depth of water, and the unit of the length is called fathom. Volleyball and ice hockey are both played with teams of 6 players each. 6 is the most runs scored of a single ball in cricket. Extrasensory perception is sometimes called the sixth sense. So why it is sixth sense? Because we have 5 sense organ. You must know, that is our eyes, our ears, our nose, our tongue, and our skin or touch. Except this, there is also a sense organ. This is our mind. It is called sixth sense. Okay. The group of strong and well-shaped muscles that can be seen on a person's stomach is called six-pack abs. Okay, you must have seen six-pack with the bodybuilder like Rock. Okay, is the bodybuilder, and Sylvester Stallone and Schwarzenegger. Okay, there the bodybuilder, and they have 6 packs, 8 packs also on their stomach. Now here 6 is the atomic number of carbon. Hexa means 6. So there are 6 sides in a hexagon. Hexagonal structure are quite common in nature. The cells of a honeycomb, the eyes of a housefly, and even a bunch of soap bubbles. So 6 is very, very important, and 6 is the number of 6 is scattered various places in our life, in the nature also. Now go to 22. It is chapter number 22, number grid. So I have already given you the answer. You have to add the units among them, and you have to make 30. So here 12 plus 2 plus 16 is equal to 30. 14 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 30. 4 plus 18 plus 8 is equal to 30. Now you have to make 36. It is 18 plus 4 plus 14. 8 plus 12 plus 16. 10 plus 20 plus 6 is equal to 36. Now you have to make 72. 23 plus 28 plus 21 is equal to 72. 22, 24 plus 26 is equal to 72. 24 plus 22 plus 25 equal to 72. Okay. Now it is chapter number 23, art quiz. It is also important in the class of online. I'll ask you each and every question, so be prepared for this. Read this question answer again and again. You have to learn this question answer. It will be very, very important for you, not only for your exam but also for whole through your life. In the future, whenever you will sit for any type of exam, it may be any common admission test, it may be B.Ed exam, entrance exam, or any competitive exam, government job exam. So this type of GK is very, very important for you students. So mind it and be focused on your study. It is art quiz. So choose the correct answer. What is the imaginary longitudinal line and connects the north and the south poles of the earth, called was meridian? Okay, you have to learn this answer. What is the deep interior of a sea partly surrounded by land with a narrow mouth called gulf? Which of this is a piece of land that is surrounded by a water body of 3 sides but connected to the mainland, that is peninsula? Question number 4. It is a large piece of land jutting into the sea and also a sleepless cloak, that is cape. Which type of vegetation is characterized by continuous tall grass and trees that are scattered across, that is savanna. What is a vast treeless Arctic region of Europe, Asia and North America called tundra? It is the fourth letter in the Greek alphabet and refers to the fertile land between two or more distributaries. It is called delta. Which of these was formed by the calcareous remains of tiny creatures known as coral polyps and hydrocoral, that is called Great Barrier Reef? Okay, so you have to learn this question and answer again and again. You have to keep this question answer in your mind, so that whenever in the future you will face to face that type of question, make sure you will be succeed. So students, it is this segment of GK is completed. For this video is completed. I will be there in front of you next in the coming online classes. So till then, bye bye, keep yourself safe and have a good day. Thank you very much.